Hello everyone, this is Michael Lee coming to you from Northern California, just outside of a town called Chico. I'm out back, well actually I'm kind of out on the side of my farmhouse out in the country. Just got home from work teaching a Qigong and Tai Chi class at InMotion Fitness in Chico. And I came home and I heard this extremely loud buzzing and humming, and I'm not sure if this video is picking this up, if you all can see it, but there is a colony of honeybees kind of swarming around their queen here, and it looks like they're building a nest on this valley oak. And they've probably chosen that position because of all these flowers on these bushes that have just bloomed. And it's a deafening roar these tiny bees are making. This is pretty cool. Unbelievable. They're just buzzing all around my face right now. I'm gonna see if I can get a tiny bit closer, but we'll see how this goes. Oh, I see their nest now. I see it now. Yeah, they are building a giant honeycomb nest on the branch on this valley oak. Try to get a little bit closer. I'm not gonna be able to get much closer though without getting swarmed here, which has happened to me before when I was a kid, so I'm not really that scared or nervous right now. I think bees are pretty cool. But I did get swarmed by a colony of honeybees when I was a kid. I also got attacked by an entire hive of red ants. That was worse. Man, red ants don't mess around, dude. Those things are warriors. They'll bite the heck out of you. I had so many red ants on me, I had to vacuum them off with a shop vac. Unbelievable. There's their nest, their honeycomb nest they're building right now. I'm gonna take another step forward to see if I can do this. Holy smokes, everybody, they're buzzing all around me. Oh, I see another nest they're building. Okay, they're building two, or maybe they're combining both nests into one giant one. Okay, one just landed on my phone. This video isn't going to really do this justice, but this is insane. I mean, they sound like a power plant. They're humming so much here. And yeah, and you can see they're gathering the nectar, the pollen from these flowers on the bushes. You can see the bees. See that? See the bees? Rubbing their legs all on the pollen and getting it all over their bodies here. I'm not sure how it really works. I think they might be drinking the nectar simultaneously with their little sticky out tongues. There's an, what are they called? An entomologist out there. Maybe you can fact check me on that. But look at them. Look at all these bees everywhere. This is crazy. All right. Yeah, if anyone's got a PhD in entomology from UC Davis, help me out here. Okay, everybody, I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm going to get out of here before I get stung. Have a great day.